kung ayaw nyo mag-business, ayaw nyo mag-freelance, ayaw nyo maging entrepreneur, don't resign, okay lang din. There's nothing wrong being an employee. Being an employee is also an amazing thing. As long as alam mo, yun yung gusto nyo. Now it's my turn, Karen. Hello. Okay, Karen.
Ay, dito ka na.
Karen,
Wala na.
okay, how long have you been resigned from your work? 1 year after. This is a 1-year reaction video. 1 year out of work. How's the feeling?
I'm always with my husband na.
Okay.
So, I have more time with him. I get to do the things that I wanted to do, like learn new things, acquire new skills.
Okay.
Yun.
Is it scary ba? Kasi ako nung nag-resign ako, wala yung katulad nung nasa office ka na parang kahit tinamad ka, may sweldo ka pa rin eh. Parang ganoon. Ano feeling ngayon? Pero iba naman yung status. Iba naman yung status natin kasi sobrang yaman mo now. Ako I did that medyo bata pa ako nun, but ikaw stockpile of wealth. Eh. By the way, guys, this is me, rich person from Bukidnon. Okay, game, boom.
I'll go answer.
Yes, it was scary, syempre, pero we prepared for it. Honestly, we prepared for it.
Preparation is key.
Preparation is the key. Talagang yung debts, kinlear namin, and then emergency fund, andun Mar. So lahat ng mga tinuro mo, talagang nakinig ako at that time.
Wow.
We prepared for yung para sa baby.
Okay.
So medyo scary lang siya in the sense that we're in the new place, sa new environment, pero not so scary because handa kami.
Wow.
Ngayon,
Handa ka.
Wow.
galing. So you're out of work for 1 year, you're doing other things. Ano naman experience nun? Does it allow you to parang earn more, not earn more, earn fixed, or how is it from a revenue perspective?
When I started, syempre it was small because nag-resign ako from
A super high-paying job, guys. Super.
So you have your regular pay at the end of the month. Pero syempre, I also changed career kasi Mar. So yes, siguro magagamit ko rin siya yung customer service side of it. Pero I wanted to learn something new, something different. So kaya medyo talagang nag-start ako from the start dun sa pag-acquire ng skills.
Okay.
So medyo hindi pa siya ganun nung nag-start ako, but I'm happy because it's proportional dun sa skill set na meron ako ngayon.
Wow.
Yun lang yun.
So is it also when you say proportional, no? First 3-6 months, it's slower, tas after bibilis na din siya.
Ito yung honest answer. The first 3 months, medyo lost talaga. Wala. Lost siya because hanap kayo ng bahay.
Okay.
Oo, yung ganun. Tapos na driver's license,
Kasi you migrated.
Yes.
Okay,
So,
okay.
the first 3 months, talagang pa siya, getting to know the area, the network, yung sa mga IDs, government IDs. So, wala kang magagawa sa first 3 months. Because only on my 4th month that I started to do something. I enrolled myself in a program and then I tried to learn the skill. Kumuha ko ng mentorship program. Yun. So, I think after 6 months, dun ako nag-start talaga na yung para sa mga service. I tried to network with my friends in the Philippines. So, kung ano yung natutunan ko, I shared it with my closest friends, Nax, closest friends.
Whoa!
Like
Grabe,
Marvingermo.
minsan lang ako masama. Tinawag ako ng isang mayaman na, oh my gosh, guys.
Why do you think I hang out with Marvingermo? Oh,
Yeah, correct.
Diba?
Balik natin.
You hang out with
Kasi,
those,
kung ayaw nyo mag-business, ayaw nyo mag-freelance, ayaw nyo maging entrepreneur, don't resign, okay lang din. There's nothing wrong being an employee. Being an employee is also an amazing thing. As long as alam mo, yun yung gusto nyo. Pero, for those that want to quit their job, want to be entrepreneurs, or just full-time investors, business persons, entrepreneurs, what should they do? Ano encouragement sa kanila?
Almost the same lang din sa mga interviews na nakikita ko sa video mo, Mar. If they're scared, don't resign yet, but start the business. Like, start the business on the side. If you think you're confident not to stop and do it on your own, then do it. Don't stop just because you're afraid to do it. Kasi we see people na with potential, pero they don't believe in themselves. Dun ata yung problema eh. Kasi most of the worries, na feeling mo mag-fail ka, pero how can you fail when you haven't even started?
Galing!
How would you know, di ba?
Galing. Did you learn something?
Yes, I did.
What did you learn?
Okay, I therefore conclude
Ito si Miss Summary.
that Karen is a brave woman. She's a risk taker and she's always willing to learn. And I think preparation is key. That's really important because preparation will give you the confidence to really take risks. Yun.
Right. So,
Tama ba?
so that's it, no? By the way, no, Karen has broken the record. She's one of the first people I've interviewed in 4 cities. Actually, 5 cities na around the world. Also, what kind of city?
Singapore.
Singapore, Dubai, Melbourne, Sydney, and Manila also. Also 5 cities. Siya lang. Cebu. 6? Kaya tayo nakita. Kaya tayo nakita. Cebu. Pero may video ba doon? Meron, pero ikaw nag-video sa akin. Pero, oo nga. So, yun, oo. So, 6 cities, record. Kasi there are some people naman that would go to the Philippines, pero dumidiretso na sila sa Cebu, kaya hindi ko na nakikita. So that's it. So, bye guys. Hope you get inspired. No, what I do is I always interview super rich people like Karen so that you can be inspired by her and her life as well. So, bye everyone.